Hey guys, Jess here, and I'm going to be teaching you a simple and effective hip mobility routine. So if you've been struggling with tight hips, low back pain, and weak core muscles, I've got you covered. In this workout, all you're going to need is a mat and this video. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to get started on your back, okay? So lay on your back. Nice. And just take a moment here to open up the collarbones. Nice. Find your neutral pelvis. And knees are going to be hip width apart. Nice. Let's take a couple breaths here just to center ourselves. So inhale through the nose. And exhale, contract your abdominals. In and release. Repeat, nice big inhale. Breathe in through the back of the rib cage. And exhale, contract. Nice. And release. One more, nice big inhale through the nose. Feel that breath, feel the back of the rib cage, sides of the rib cage, and exhale. Excellent. Take one knee into your chest, take the opposite knee into your chest. Let's start by doing hip circles. So in, out, around, and down. And try to keep your pelvis in neutral and be sure to breathe. So external rotation is so important in having healthy hips as well as internal rotation. Nice, let's go 3 more circles. 3. Nice. And then gently using your hands to pull right at this part. You should feel a nice big stretch here. 2. 1 more. And reverse. Together, down and around. 1. And you should feel as you progress the reps that you feel more mobility in your hips. Never try to force a range of motion that you're never ready for. Let's go 3 more. Oh my God, there's a crazy ant next to me. The best part about filming outdoors is that I'm in nature. The worst part is the ants, mosquitoes, bees, they all love being a part of the video. And done, nice. Okay, so now you're gonna go ahead and reset your body. You're gonna bring the right leg up. Now, nice and slow moving from your hip, you're gonna internally rotate. Nice, and then externally rotate. Good, so internally rotate. Try to keep that 90-degree angle and externally rotate. So you should feel that right in your hip socket. Nice, let's go a couple more here. And 3. Excellent. And 2. 1 more. And done. Leg down, opposite leg up, neutral, inhale, exhale, externally rotate, internally rotate. So you may notice that one hip has more range of motion than the other. That's pretty normal, but don't stress out about it. That's why you're doing this video, because you're trying to fix your hips and improve hip mobility. Oh, this feels really nice. For me, I feel like that really nice feeling in my hip when I internally rotate. And external is okay for me. So maybe you feel it vice versa. Let's go 2 more. Good, and just be aware that you're not rocking in the hips. Nice, last one here. And done, nice. Let's take a butterfly. Soles of the feet together. Shift your hips over to the right. Shift your hips over to the left. And right. The birds are really loud today. And left. And right. Use your breath. Inhale to the left and to the right. And that ant is back. Okay, let's start with a little core activation. Okay, so if you can, bring one leg into tabletop and then bring the other leg into tabletop. And if you can't do this, do not stress out. Just keep both legs down for today. Remember, the goal is for you to strengthen, not set yourself backwards, okay? So bring both legs into tabletop if you can. Find your neutral. Hands up, inhale, and we're gonna hold it here. We're gonna do a core activation and breathing. Inhale, exhale, hold and breathe. Inhale, exhale. And you can take your hands on your stomach to feel your core muscles turning on. Inhale, exhale, shoulders are lifted off the mat. Inhale, exhale. Let's go 1 more. Inhale. And exhale, reset. We've just had some rain and the mosquitoes are out and they're so crazy. They love me. They love my skin type, like my blood type. And again, inhale and exhale, bring the legs into tabletop, bring the hands up, exhale, curl up, hold and breathe. Inhale into the sides of the ribs, exhale. Inhale, exhale, contract, inhale, exhale. One more set, nice big inhale and exhale. Nice, reset. Let's go into some glute bridges. Feet are gonna be hip width apart. Press into all 10 toes. Take a breath. You're gonna lift those hips. Open your collarbones. Hands are nice and long. Ribs are in. You're pressing firmly into the mat. And when you're ready, you're gonna roll down upper back, middle back, low back, pelvis, butt. And repeat. Push through your hips. Lift up. Hold. Lengthen the front of your body. Such a great exercise if you sit at a desk. Gotta strengthen. And roll down. Upper back, middle back. Imagine like you're peeling a sticker. And low back, butt, reset. So you just want to do it nice and slow so you can feel each vertebrae in your spine. Push through your feet, lift up, engage your glutes, engage your core. Hold. And roll down bone by bone. Okay, we got 3 more. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, push through those feet. Open the collarbones, stretch those hands, energy through those feet, and then roll down. It should begin to feel easier as you increase the reps. Easier in the sense of like you feel more connected to your body. Lift up, hold, and we roll down nice and slow, peeling your spine down, bone by bone. Nice, let's go. 1 more, and we're gonna hold it at the top. Inhale, exhale, lift up, hold. Hold and breathe. Ribs are pulled down, pelvis is in neutral, feet are pushing into the mat, strong glutes. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Oh, mosquitoes just love me. Do a couple hip circles, reset.
Okay, so now you're gonna lay on your left side for a hip and glute strengthening exercise.
Good. Lay on your side, fetal position, legs bent right in front of you. Take your bottom hand behind your head. Take a moment to lengthen your spine, ribs in, pelvis stacked. So the number one mistake I see students do is like rock the hips, and when you don't have the range of motion in your hips, I see a lot of jerking in the hips. So you don't want to do that. You want to keep your hips as stable as possible and just move from your hip socket. Okay? So hand in front of you, lengthen your spine, and when you're ready, hip circles, nice and slow. 1. Circle down and around. 2. 3. You can also add a light resistance band over your knees to increase the intensity. Good, but you'll definitely feel the burn. Nice. And 5. 1 more. 6. Reverse, take it back. 6. 5. And you should feel a slow, deep burn in your hip and as well as top of your hip. And 3. Nice. 2. Drop something. And 1. Reset. We're going to take the leg back. Okay, so 2 options. You can either keep your leg bent. This will be a little bit easier, right? Number 2, leg straight. Nice. So we bring it forward, in line with your body. We stretch it back. So if you sit at a desk, this is great because you are strengthening the back of your body. 3. And you want to imagine that I'm pulling you by your ankles. You want to make your body nice and long here. 4. Nice. And 5. Good. 1 more. Hold it back on 6. Hold it back. Good. Engage. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. And reset. 1 more here. We're going to take the leg up. Point the toe. Externally rotate. Bring the leg up without rocking the hips. Flex all the way down. Stretch. Point. Lift the leg up. Control it. Hold. Flex. Reach down.
2. Nice. Point up, reach, hold, exhale. Imagine someone's pulling you by your ankle. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. 3 more. And up, hold, stretch and lengthen down. Last 2. Reach up, hold, pull it back down. Last one here, make it the best one. And we go up, hold, and down. Nice. Okay, great job. Let's switch sides. Okay. Laying on your right side, legs right in front of you. Stack up your body, pull the abdominals in, lift the top leg, circles. Up and around 6, 5. Sometimes just taking the heel of the hand on your hip bone can help guide you. 4, up and around 3, up and around 2, up and around 1, reverse, 6, 5. Good, you can take your 2 fingertips, put them on your lower abs, check in with those deep abdominals, and 3, almost there, 2, and 1. Whew, reset. Lengthen the top leg. If you need to modify, just bend your knee. When you're ready, lengthen your side body. We take it back 1. Bring it in line with your body. Reach back 5. Reach it forward. Reach back 4. Nice. Reach back 3. So as you can see, these are body weight exercises, but I'm definitely feeling the burn. So you can still have an effective exercise with 0 fitness equipment. 2. Nice. Let's go 1 more. Reach, lengthen the front of the hip, engage your glute, hold it. Engage, think of the muscle, mind-body connection. 3, 2, 1, reset. Okay, we're gonna go for our lifts. Take an inhale. Without rocking the pelvis, we lift the leg up. We point down. We lift up and reach down 2. Well, I'm feeling all parts of my glutes. And we reach up 3 and lengthen, stretch it down to the mat. And up 4 and stretch it down. Woo-hoo. Bottom of my glutes, I feel it. And 5, point up, flex down. Good, 1 more, point up, flex down. I think I miscounted, we have to do 1 more. And reaching up and down. Nice. Okay, we're gonna go for our final exercise. So we're gonna strengthen low back and glutes here. So when you're ready, spread those fingertips. Really important here, you wanna pull the stomach muscles up. Lengthen your spine, open up your upper back. Take a breath, we're gonna bend the leg in half, we're gonna lift up, engage, lower down to the mat. Exhale, squeeze, and down. Careful mistake not to extend in your back and neck. Just make sure you're just lifting the thigh in line with your body. Nice, you can always come down to your forearms if you need a modification. Let's go 2 more and 2. Nice, 1 more. Hold it up here, 6 pulses. 6, 5, ribs in. 4, 3, pull the abs up. 2, 1, and down, reset. Okay, when you're ready, opposite leg. Up and down 1. Up and down 2. Up and down 3. Those mosquitoes got me. 4, 5, up and down 6. On the next one, hold it up, 6 little pulses. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Whew. Okay, guys, so there you have it. There is your healthy hips, quick and simple mobility routine. I hope that helps. And remember, you can always add a light resistance band to increase the intensity of the exercises. And you can also do this as a circuit. So meaning you would do all these exercises, you would take a sip of water, and then you would do this whole routine all over again. Okay, so that's a really easy way to increase. I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.